Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you make an answer phone call on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. In order to make or answer call on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, you'll use the phone app on your watch. So here's what you need to do it. First, you want to swipe up on the watch screen to access the app screen. Then you want to tap the phone icon. You want to tap that keypad icon and enter the 10-digit number. Then tap the contact icon and select the desired contact. As you've done it, so you also want to make sure to toggle the button for double pinch. Then you can initiate the call. For that, you actually want to tap the green phone icon to make a call. Likewise, when a call comes, you'll receive notifications on your watch. You could swipe the green icon or phone icon to the right to answer the call. Then swipe the red icon to the left to decline the call and send it to the voicemail. So this is how it's actually done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.